Hello, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Today we are doing a fun song that doesn't need any bar chords. The strumming is pretty straightforward. So really all we're doing is kind of taking a break through our challenge, and hopefully today will give you time to go back to any of the other lessons that you kind of didn't finish. So today is just kind of a fun, let's relax and just play for fun. By the way, I'll have some cool live performances of this song if you want to check those out for inspiration, or just to pick up some tips or ideas, or just to rock out. Okay, move the long sleeves out of the way, any necklaces or hair out of the way as well. We want to make sure we sound good. So the intro, we're going to pivot and curve the hand because we have E7. And that chord is supposed to sound a little funky to your ear because it's the 7th chord. So right there, I'm just doing an island strum. I'm kind of loading it a little heavy, and we have 4 bars of that, which means 4 times 4. So 16 beats of it. Let's do it. Intro, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's the intro. Let's do it again. By the way, if this strumming is too crazy for you, then just give me down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, intro, ready, go. I'm gonna keep going into the verse just to show it. She was just 17. Do you know what I mean? And the way she looked was way beyond compare. Okay, so I said we're taking a break from bar chords. That's because B7 you can play this way. Kind of like E minor, but 1 fret closer to your face. Okay, so if you need a break from bar chords, do it this way. But if you want to practice your bar chords, do it this way. I have a ukulele with really nice low action, so for me it's comfortable to do the bar chords. So let's take it from the intro and do that much of the verse. 1, 2, intro, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. She was just 17. Do you know what I mean? And the way she looked was way beyond compare. So how could I dance when I know So let's do that part. How could I dance with another? Let's do it slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. How could I dance with another? Oh, when I saw her standing there. By the way, if you're having kind of a hard time with the ukulele moving around, you have a few options. If your ukulele has strap buttons, then use them. Or rest the ukulele on your index finger, not where it's touching the strings. Mine's not touching the strings. It's just there for switches. So I use it to kind of anchor. You could also use a stool, or if you're sitting down, you can rest it. So for example, I could put it on my knee. Let me scoot closer to my chair. Put it on my knee and do it this way. And you know, I want to keep my arm here for leverage so that I'm not like moving around like a set arm. So you have a few options, but find a position that's comfortable for you. The next verse follows the same pattern as the first verse. Let's skip down to the bridge. And before we do that, I want you to kind of roll your shoulders back and breathe, because sometimes when we're learning something new or playing ukulele, we tend to like kind of tense up. So roll the shoulders, a little bit of yoga here. Take a deep breath in for 4 beats. Breathe in, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Breathe in and breathe out. Then we'll start playing again. Ready? Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, hopefully you're relaxed. Let me play the bridge for you and then we'll do it together. Well, my heart went down when I called. kidding. Okay, we can do it together. Let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. And I like to just kind of accent those last two before we go to the next verse, and you already know the verse. Now there is a guitar solo, and during that there are chords that you can play. That section kind of reminds me of a 12-bar blues. So we're going to be on E7, then B7, back to E7, A7, E7, B7, E7. Sounds more confusing than it is. We can do it together. I'll coach you through it. Let's do it. E7, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch, switch, A7, E7, B7, E7. That was a workout, huh? We have to like think quick and move fast. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 1, 2. You got this. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B7, E, A, E fast, switch. Hey, if you're posting videos on Instagram and using the hashtag, I just want to say I love watching those. They are so much fun. I wish I would have asked for permission to share some of these because I would love to kind of share them with all of you, but I don't want to put people on the spot. Anyway, if you want to see what's going on Instagram, just search for the hashtag and you'll see some really awesome performances of these. And I love that people of different levels are putting themselves out there and just, you know, recording and sharing. So thank you. I really appreciate that. It's a lot of fun for me to watch. Okay, practice, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Sayonara.